OnePlus Nord 3 price and specifications. OnePlus Nord 3 price in Pakistan is expected to be around 89,999 Pakistani rupees. There will be single variant of 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage with OnePlus Nord 3. It's rumored that OnePlus's upcoming mobile OnePlus Nord 3 is expected to launch on the 26th of January 2023 in Pakistan. OnePlus Nord 3 is rumored to come with multiple color options of blue and gray. The handset will be having amazing internal specs, screen size, camera setup, battery timing and OnePlus Nord 3 mobile performance. OnePlus Nord 3 camera setup will include 50MP triple rear camera and 16MP selfie camera. Display of OnePlus Nord 3 supports up to 1080 by 2412 pixels resolution and screen size of 6.7 inches. The performance of OnePlus Nord 3 will be based on MediaTek Dimensity 8105G chipset and GPU. Mobile will come with battery capacity of 4500 mAh. OnePlus Nord 3 buy online will be available soon on OLX, Daraz, Whatmobile and Priceoy. OnePlus Nord 3 will also be available for sale on other renowned online mobile shops all over the Pakistan.